Here in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install GIMP on a Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. If you want to do Photoshop level photo editing on your Chromebook, then you can install GIMP. It is free and you can easily install it using Linux. For that, first of all, you have to enable Linux development environment on your Chromebook. To do so, simply open App Launcher, open Settings, click on About Chrome OS, and here look for Developers option, and here you'll find the option to set up Linux development environment. I already have a video on it, so I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. Once you have enabled Linux development environment, click on App Launcher and open the terminal application. To get the command line interface, click on Penguin option, and here we have the command line interface. Now here we need to run few simple commands to install GIMP. First one is sudo apt update. Then hit enter key. This will update the Linux repository. Now to update the packages, simply type sudo apt upgrade. Then hit enter key. If you get do you want to continue prompt, here type Y, then hit enter key, and this will update all the packages. Once done, simply type sudo apt install GIMP. And if you get do you want to continue prompt, hit type Y, then hit enter key and wait for the installation process to complete. Once it get installed, simply close the terminal. Now to open and use GIMP on your Chromebook, click on App Launcher icon, open the Linux apps folder. Here you'll find GIMP application, open it, and you are ready to use GIMP on your Chromebook. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.